This is a sample bird video. This sample has only general information, so here we go. Be taken on a virtual helicopter tour of the neighbourhood with a bird video. We have a new listing at 123 Street, located in the west neighbourhood of Burlington. This neighbourhood is an up-and-coming or matured neighbourhood. There is quick access to the 403. It is only a 5-minute drive. The property has this or that style of house, with 3 beds, 2 baths, a game room, newly remodelled kitchen and a 3-car garage, or with 2 beds and a unique and charming kitchen. The house sits on half an acre or 10 acres. The house is a detached home facing north or west. It is the 3rd or 10th house from the end of the road. The demographics are young professionals or young families, or matured families or retirees. The neighbourhood is blah blah blah. This area is home to annual events, including the largest Rib Fest in Ontario, etc. Nearby, there are great shops, services, social groups, clubs, parks, attractions, schools, etc. This house is quiet, with no road traffic, train noise or air traffic. It is located near major shopping centres. Mapleview Mall is only an 8-minute drive. This neighbourhood is great for families and young professionals and retirees, with property values going up. Welcome to your new home. Contact us to make it happen. This property is listed by name of sales rep with the name of brokerage. For the listing page, go to blahblah.com. For showing times, go to the listing page.